All rise.
Call the case.
Criminal case number 170327, People of the Philippines versus Veronica Pineda, also known as Ronnie, for the crimes of murder, defined and penalized under Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code for the killing of Jocelyn Santos and murder for the killing of Gian Ramirez and frustrated homicide for the attempt on Carolina Astor.
Appearances?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Attorney Rafael Hernandez, respectfully appearing for private complainant Carolina Astor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Alison de la Cruz, respectfully appearing for the private complainant, Mr. Wilfred Santos.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Attorney Orly De Vera, respectfully appearing for the accused, Veronica Reyes Pineda.
Read the charge.
That on or about June 30, 2016, in Santo Domingo, Municipality of Oriental Mindoro, the above-named accused, with intent to kill and by means of treachery, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously attack Jocelyn Santos at Kalinawan Resort, forcibly striking her head against the rocks, inflicting mortal injuries which caused her death.
Ano ang iyong sagot sa paratang?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Sinungaling ka! Mamamatay tao ka! Pinatay mo yung mommy ko! You killed my mom!
With intent to kill, the accused did then and there attempt to take the life of Carolina Astor and her unborn child, which act did not produce the death of Carolina by reason of causes independent of the will of the accused, but which resulted in the death of her baby.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Sinungaling.
The plea of not guilty is hereby entered. Therefore, retrial is set next month. The accused shall remain in custody.
Lalo mo lang pinahirapan ng sarili mo nung sinabi mong not guilty.
Di ba ganda naman yung sinabi mo dati? Gusto mo mag-compare tayo ng notes on hacks of being accused of a murder?
Mararanasan mo na rin lahat ng naranasan ko. Pero ang pinagkaiba natin, ako inosente ako sa pagkamatay ni Ma'am Joy, pero ikaw, deserve mo to.
Hindi ako ang pumatay kay Joy. Kung inaakusahan niyo ko dahil nandun ako sa resort nung namatay si Joy at may nangyari sa amin ni Wilfred, hindi ba dapat siya rin paimbestigahan niyo?
Baliw ka na talaga, Ronnie.
Baliw sa'yo. And if you're saying I stand to gain something on Joy's death, well, di ba ikaw din? Bakit ako lang iniimbestigahan dito? Di ba dapat suspect rin ng asawa? Hindi lang ako?